What is she doing?
We're both writing something.
Okay, I got you. Oh no. Here. Let's do it again.
Uh-oh.
Come here. Bring it to Grandma.
Grammy.
Grandma's got it. Oh.
Got it.
Okay.
My arse is going to have a tan by tomorrow.
Your arse is. Okay, are you going to do it again, Vivers?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at this, guys.
Oh, look at that, guys.
Look at
Oh, look at that big blubber belly. Okay, put your eyes. You're skinny. Here, honey, hang on to this handle. Now wait, get the other one. You got it? Is that how you? Is that how you want it? Like that?
Yeah.
Okay, ready, set, go. Oh, she flipped over. Are you okay?